Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the Vivo Y01. So if you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if anything like pictures or anything else important on here, it's going to get deleted. Also guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. But before that, let's get into this. So first thing we're going to do is make sure the phone's off. In this case it is. You have your volume up, volume down, and power buttons right here. And what we want to do is hold the volume up and power at the same time. I'm going to start off by holding the volume up and then hit power. And it basically gets us right to the fast boot screen from here. You can use touch. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Touch is on the next one. But you can use your volume buttons to scroll. We want to get to recovery mode. Hit power button to select. And it takes a second to load, but it will load. Vivo makes some nice phones. If you've seen some of their other models, they're pretty good. So from here, we can have all these options, and we want to hit clear data. And this is where the touch kicks in. You can still use the volume buttons and the power buttons. No, it's just touch. So from here, hit clear all data. It's going to ask you to confirm. Hit OK, and now it's deleting. Once it's deleted, you can go back to the main menu and reboot the phone, and it will load to the home screen. So hit return, all data is deleted, hit the back button, and from here you just want to hit either shut down or restart. I'm just going to hit shut down and okay. If you did hit restart, it will just load to the welcome screen. You can set it up like it was when it was new. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Vivo Y01. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you can like, comment, and share all that wonderful stuff, we'd appreciate it. Otherwise, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.